and welcome to Patrick's Models and Transport. So, here's an update on the tram bodywork. So I did a rehearsal last night in refitting the body and made a video in Italian, an Italian language video, and now I also had problems refitting this step that broke off when I dismantled the tram, because I really went mental trying to dismantle this thing because I had no idea how to do it. It's a tight fit. In reality, it's very simple. All you need to do is use a couple of levers like these ones here, even only one of them. Release one side, release the other side, and it's very simple. So what happened, this step here broke off, and if you look carefully, it's pretty tricky to glue it on again because it's fitted, the molding is here at the corner at an angle. So I thought, how am I going to refit the step? So I tried gluing it on with glue and glaze. It wasn't staying, it wasn't in the right position, and eventually I gave up. So what I did, I glued a very small strip of 0.30mm styrene, you can see it there, where the step is, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fit the original step. I'm going to glue it behind here, like so, like that, right? So this is going to be fitted on like that, and it will be held in position. You can't see. So I'm just going to take this step, here's the step, and I'm going to glue it on like that to the back of this piece of white styrene, which I will then paint. I don't know what you're seeing, I think you're seeing my fingers. And then I'll paint that. So that'll be glued on like so, behind there, right? And we have to also consider that the chassis, the platform, sits here. So moving this is 0.30mm styrene, so it's very thin. But I don't want the step to come in contact with the platform. So what I did, I filed the back of the step. I filed it down. You can see that the grey paint has disappeared, the grey finish, and there's just the yellow moulding, and that will be around the back. Then I'll touch everything up with I'll make some grey paint and I'll touch it up. So this way we're going to reinstall the missing step, thanks to a piece of styrene which will act as a support, and it will keep the step at the correct angle, because you can see that the steps are not parallel with this wall here. They're sort of angled in the way at the front. No? So I'll do this later on today, or I might even do it off camera, because anyway you wouldn't see, you would have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, so that's the next step. We're nearly there, and once I've got this step fitted on, we'll actually be able to put refit the chassis, the bodywork on the chassis once and for all, and proceed to a test run. Cheerio, and see you next time.